Well, good morning, guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So, as y'all can see, yes, I got on my romper, but I'm just trying to just do the grand finale of it. And these boots I wound up getting a couple years ago from Fashion Over. So, if you see, they're sparkling boots. So, I think they're super duper sexy. But no further ado, y'all ready? Wow, look at that. Look at this, baby. I had a suit that was made like this. It was super sexy. It was super sexy, guys. I had a suit that was made like this when I was in my 20s. Gino, y'all see this? He do it all the time. Okay, they said hi. Gino got on a sparkling black poodle suit. Yeah, that's Gino. Gino, they right here. So I got on a sparkling black poodle suit. Yes, there you go, Gino. They know. So I had one like this. I was in my 20s, and I remember we used to go to the meat market and get fresh meat, and then all the guys, and that one, and I want to make one like that. So on the boobs, that one has spikes on it, and then it had it had the real shingle stuff, not this stuff, and it was in black, and it had the black shorts and whatnot, and it was super duper sexy, okay? And I used to just literally wear it to the meat market. And I used to go in there, me, my mom, my sister, and we ordered the food. And then all the Mexican guys be in there. They were speaking another language. So I think they was like really hyped up about my little outfit that I come in there with. So this is super cute, guys. And if y'all see, I topped it off with some stones. Give it some blue. And I love it. I love it. I think it is super duper sexy. So I would say, like, if you're in them hotter states early in the morning, probably blind you too. So I say when the sun getting ready to go down, you get ready to go through a birthday party or whatever, and you go to the birthday party, you put this on, and for some reason I'm really feeling these boots with it. I'm truly feeling these boots, but I'm gonna show y'all the shoes that I had in mind. So I could do either or. But I'm going to be doing some traveling. I'm going to be going to Arizona. I'm going to be going to Texas. I'm going to be going to Illinois. So, because I'm making my rounds to see everybody. So, I wanted to do these shoes right here because I like that ankle support and where they're made like really sturdy. And I can walk in these for I can't even talk, quite some time without feeling the foot pain. So these is my shoes. I got these from Fredericksburg, Hollywood. I need some water. Hold on, guys. I'm so excited. I'm thirsty. I'm so excited. I'm thirsty. So guys, it is complete. What's unique about this one, it has a latch. So I can undo the latch and get my body in here and then just buckle it back up. And yeah, so I am overall in love with this. I feel super sexy. I feel super sexy in this. So remember, this is nothing but a spank suit. So if you're new and you're just watching this video, I showed you guys exactly how to create these with a no-sew. All you need is a glue gun and some rhinestone ribbon of your choice, and you just go to town. And Angel Brinks carry a lot of stuff like this, but theirs be with more of fabric, not a lot of this. But when you look on there, like I am an Angel Brinks lover. That's why I got inspired to do a lot of stuff, because for some reason I love anything that sparkle and bling. I love it. I love it. I love it. So you guys look on there, y'all can buy bodysuits and buy the hardware and buy a regular bodysuit off Amazon and get your little stuff. And remember, do that torso stuff. And if you're gonna get a suit that's made of mesh, which is like this kind of fabric, and when I say mesh, do you see that? You can see your hand right through. Be careful with this kind of material, because if y'all go to take it and then gluing it, y'all gonna glue the damn outfit to the back of the outfit. So try to make sure that it is a fabric, more something like this. It's real thin, but don't put a whole bunch of glue where it's gonna seep through and glue the outfit together. So overall, I am truly in love with this. I think this is super sexy. So I put this on and I'm trying to think of what purse. I'm gonna have to get a nice purse and put it on, but this is super beautiful, super sexy, guys. So this is how it turned out. And I actually like this better with the shorts, because the other ones I make with the leotard, guys, when I make the one with the leotard, I cover it up a lot because I don't be want, you know, your butt to seep through. But see, when you're wearing shorts, you don't got to worry about that, because you walking and you ain't like, oh my gosh, if I'm standing still, it's people seeing my buttocks. So these is shorts under here, so you ain't gonna have that feeling. So the other ones I like, but it's like, it has me, now the other one, the green ones, I feel them up. So when I put them on, my buttocks ain't showing through. So I don't be worried about that. So it's just a matter of hardware. But if you do it with the shorts, you ain't got to worry about that at all. And this one had a built-in bra. The other one, let me show y'all. That one does not, well, I showed y'all already. I don't feel like getting that out. Just look at the video before this. And I showed y'all the one without the built-in bra. This has the built-in bra, but I just went on and added some little blue to just give it something special. So guys, I finished it. I'm going to be working on more stuff, bringing more of my stuff to y'all attention and how to do, guys. So start coming to this channel, get notification, because I'm going to be bringing some interesting things over here for y'all to see. Other places, I've been spending my money with other vendors and merchandise coming in, and I am a fedora fanatic, and just from the vendors I'm buying hats from, and you know, from my hats can go from $26 up until $100, $150. I got this sexy ass hat that I'm gonna have to show to y'all. It is gonna be awesome. So hope you guys enjoyed this. So for the ladies that want to make these sparkling rompers, I gave y'all the bread and butter. And if y'all do it, be nice, be generous, unless you're doing it to sell, and I can see you not want to tell somebody. But tell them about my channel. I got this idea from A. Marie Lace Wigs, and I never changed the name because of A. Marie Lace Wigs. I'm still A. Marie Lace Wigs, just without doing the wigs. I'm A. Marie Design on. So remember, guys, right now I took some time out, so I ain't blocked nobody. So if y'all finding me on TikTok, I unplugged. I just deactivated because TikTok be real loopy, real silly, just dumb shit sometimes people say, and I get tired of explaining myself. So my Instagram is active, but I'm not going in there checking messages. So over here is where, you know, we can get it popping. So yeah. So and then another thing, guys, let me get off here. It kills me when people will tell somebody, you too old to wear that. That's the dumbest shit I ever heard. When you go buy your clothes, they say, oh, for a woman that's 49 years old, do not buy this outfit because you too old to wear it. No, you grown, you work the hell you want. So, but people would say dumb shit like that, like you too old. I think, let me tell you this, guys. No matter how big you is, no matter how small you is, no matter how tall, no matter if you're a male, a female, a transgender, whatever you are, whatever you decide to put on and wear on your body, and if you're confident to wear it, don't let nobody tell you what you can't do. So they kill me when they say that. All it takes is if you put it on, and if you feel that you look good in it, like on Fantasia say, bump what your friends say, bump what anybody else say. If you wearing that and you can walk out of your house and you can feel comfortable and confident in wearing it, and like, you know what? I don't care what nobody say about me. I'm wearing this outfit, and I really don't care how nobody feel about it. And what? Okay? So for anybody that's making their clothes and wearing them, wear your clothes with confidence. Don't let nobody tell you what you can wear, what you can't wear. If you put it on and look in the mirror, and you look in that mirror and say, I look good, don't let nobody tell you what you can and can't do. So thank you, guys. Make this outfit. And if you do it and you want to tell somebody, now if you making it and you selling it, I get it. You ain't going to tell nobody. I learned this technique from A. Marie Design because I done gave y'all the bread and butter how to make these suits, and you ain't even got to sew it, okay? So, but if you're just making it to make it and you're not making it in a business sense, then let somebody know, hey, I learned this from a girl on YouTube, A. Marie Design, because I'm trying to get my numbers back up, get that monetized, and, you know, keep it going. So, guys, as always, thank you guys so much. And I'm going to be bringing more stuff from other stuff that I've purchased from people, things that I think that can help y'all,
tips that I get. So this is where I'm at, guys. 24/7. I always look for me when y'all don't see me on TikTok and I can't find my page. I ain't blocked nobody. I'm in my timeout. Okay, so sometimes I have to give myself from social media a time out. So on those sites, I'm in a time out because they can be negative, toxic people, and just too much. So sometimes I just have to unplug, and this is where I started at. This is where I made really good money. You know, this is where I was. So this is where I always come back to. So as always, guys, make a sparkling romper. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Happy Sunday, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching my video. So more to come. I'm going to be working on different things, reviewing certain products. So thank you guys for stopping by. I love these outfits. And here I go with the hat, you know. So you guys have an awesome Sunday. Thank you guys for stopping by. Bye-bye.